Hey, what's up guys, it's Cravenox here with another awesome video, and in this one, I'll be playing Bloons Tower Defense Battles Club Room, Bonanza. I have 49,941 medallions. Oh, I lost 20. I lost 20, but I'll gain 40. So it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Wait, that's only if I win, right? That's only if I win. Yeah, that's only if I win. Oh, wow. This is a good map for my, awesome strategy. My awesome strategy. Yeah, you're the man. Alright, let's do this. So that, I'll be getting a ninja, a banana farm, and a helicopter. I'll get a couple of these. Now I lost 200 medallions. Wait, I did? Then how come? No, I forgot to spin. Now, oh, I didn't. I got the, monkey mortar. Or mortar. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna start with a banana farm here. And then I'm gonna add a ninja right there. And then get more bananas. More bananas. Let's collect this. And then I'll get Seeking Shuriken for that one. If this guy decides to kill me, I don't know if the strategy will fully work, but I know the helicopter is very, very strong, so I do have a feeling that it will succeed, that I will actually win this match. I hope this guy wants to go late game. It'll be very disappointing if he doesn't. Okay, another one. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade this. Let me get more bananas for that. I'm gonna get one right here and then add a monkey farmer. Guys, remember, if you like this video, make sure to actually give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more content. Sorry if you could hear the mouse clicks, by the way. I'm not using a microphone. I'm using my computer's microphone. Okay, one more right here. Give me money. So what I plan on doing is actually placing banana farms all over the map, and then getting my my actual cash to at least 200,000. Yeah, at least 200,000. And then once that's done, I'm gonna sell all of them and just place helicopters in their place. It's going to be awesome. I didn't test it out yet. I haven't. So one more right here. No, I'll place one right here. Oh. Well, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, that's the last one. Now, put the banana farm, the monkey farmer. Yeah, that's what it's called, the monkey farmer. So this guy actually, I don't know, I think I'm gonna make more money than him. He's not sending me any balloons, I don't think so. Whoa. Okay, the cash is coming in fast. Alright, this is good. I know where this is going. Oh, wait. Lead balloons. Should I use... Yeah, I'm gonna use this. Popping power. Alright, now I'm saving up for the factory. So 6 bananas per round, and I have 6 of these, so about 36,000 a round. That's actually a lot, but remember, I'm getting more than this. This is not all of my farmers. My banana farms. I keep confusing monkey farmers and banana farms for some reason. I don't know. Let me get my economy growing. I know I could use them by the other side. Oh wait, I forgot to get these. Yeah, these. Yeah, now I'm getting him. Anyways, I know I could get the economy going by getting the other upgrade side, but I will actually do that, but not right now, because I want the entire map to be full of these factories. Maybe when my cache is actually bigger. Whoa. Yes. Alright. That's all of it. Wait, that's not all. Can I fit one? No, I can't fit one there. Wait, what's his range? I could always get another one. That's why I bought him, isn't it? He started with the super monkey. Genuine. So I have 144,000. I must start, yeah, I'm gonna start right here. Let's get my money going. Oh, let me add another, Bloon Jitsu. Awesome. Oh, he's doing that awesome, Super Monkey Sun Temple thing with the wizards. I know where he's going with this. He doesn't have a banana. Monkey farmer, yeah. He does have a monkey farmer. Oh wait, I don't on this side too. I shouldn't be talking. At least I have one. So I'm at 200,000, but I'm not stopping here. I remember one round my cash went actually to 1 million and a couple 100,000s until I sent my opponent, I don't know if it was a him or her, but I sent my opponent a couple of oh my gods, the last one, this one, because this one actually doesn't delay a wait time like the other ones. Like when you sell if you send these ones, I can't show that. Okay, wait. If you send these ones, they're gonna come out spaced out, and they're gonna take a longer time to deliver. But when you send these ones, they're gonna come straight away. Oh whoa, this is losing my income. Let me get it back to 500,000 plus. One more right here. No more? I know I could fit one there. I know I can. Alright guys, I don't have much time to record this entire match, so I'm gonna come back when I actually have enough funds to get the helicopters going. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I did get one more ninja and the big one. I got the big one because ninjas are being pressured, and I did get 2 helicopters started here, but you might not tell the difference from here, except for that little blur that you see. It looks like a shade actually, but it's fine. I do have my cash to 1 million and a couple 100,000s, but I'm gonna wait till 500,000, 1 million and 500,000. This guy, however, yeah, this guy has a sun temple and 3 of those submarine thingies, I don't know what they're called, and a couple of those robo monkeys. Those are actually powerful. As you can see, the sun temple is powered with the wizard's tornado. The wizard's tornado move. But these missiles on those submarines, it has this one strike thing that could take away those BFBs or BFFs. I don't know what's the difference. It could take one of those out and one below. I'm gonna get the helicopter started. So, and what I'm actually gonna do is place him in the same position so it actually looks a bit cooler. Alright, that's one. If this doesn't work, oh wow, I accidentally used the wood spikes, but it doesn't even matter. It's now gonna come in handy now, or anytime soon in this battle. So I got 3 of them right there. Let me delete this big guy and get another helicopter right here. Yeah, as you can see, they're on pursuit right now, but once I'm done with setting them up, on position them. Let's get rid of this guy. Okay, and this guy. And this guy. And of course, this guy. Now I only have 1 of them. That's fine. And I can't even fit one there. Wait, let's try again. There you go. I know I could fit one there. There's a huge gap. Oh, come on. Let's try this one. Yes, yeah, now I can for sure. There you go. Okay, let me get rid of these ninjas right here. They're still being pressured, come on! We're supposed to overpower the Joker. I'm playing with the Joker. I'm not even upgrading them. Just setting them up. Whoa, I still have 1 million. Oh, I'm getting money from these ones up here. I thought I was finished and I ran out of space. But I do have more space. I think this is over 10 helicopters. We might not survive this. Yeah, I don't think so. Because this guy has very powerful towers, and I only have a bunch of helicopters. Yeah, let me set them up now. So this one, patrol right there. Same for you. And you. Oh, whoa, wait. I didn't even upgrade them. I didn't upgrade some of them. They're just following. Which one's this one? This one. And that one. Alright, so patrol, pursuit. Let's go patrol. Now it looks like a blur of one helicopter. Although that's so many propellers. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end this video. I'll tell you how this goes. Actually, I'm gonna pause the video, and then when it actually finishes, I'm gonna play it again so you know who lost or not. But not when it finishes, when I'm about to die or when he's about to die. Look at this. I sent him a bunch of oh my gods. Let's see. Here it is, guys. It got so laggy, but I managed to get him, and I won. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below. Thanks for watching.